Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Tech and Crypto's YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can unlink your Google account on Quizlet. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on Quizlet and already logged in, and now right after that you'll be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Quizlet on the screen, where you can see the profile icon at the top right corner of this dashboard. Simply click over there and now you can see the settings option. So you need to select that option. And now you need to scroll a little bit down unless you find the Unlink your Google account option. And at the right side, you can see the Unlink Google option. So once you click on that button, you'll be able to unlink your Google account successfully. So basically, this is how you can unlink your Google account in Quizlet. And if you still encounter an issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.